Right?
Sir, one sec.
Check it.
Sir, we were actually done with the fourth question,
Fourth question.
4.3.
4.3 not more. 4 point that completed this 5.1. This one completed.
Oh,
No?
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. 5.3 is also done.
5.1 only completed. Okay. Now we will see the 5.10 question. See this here we have to say absolute obtuse vertical angles. Vertical angles means, see this, if you will draw like this, these two are vertically opposite angles. Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Switch on your camera, everyone. So vertically opposite angles means if any two lines intersect at any one point, then the opposite angles, exactly opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. This angle, this one and this one are called vertically opposite angles, right? Now in this figure, what are the vertically opposite obtuse angles? Can you say? Can anybody say?
So,
This angle, obtuse means what is the meaning of obtuse? Can you say first?
so more than 90 degrees, but
More
less
than 90
higher.
degrees. So from here to here 90, from here to here more than 180, sorry 90. So this will be the, what is this angle? Obtuse or not? This opposite angle, this opposite angle, see from, so it's vertically opposite, no? And from this angle. Okay, these two are the vertically opposite angles. So angle, first one, angle AOD, AOD, this angle, and AOC, angle AOC. Okay, adjacent supplementary angles, complementary angles. Adjacent means beside. See, for example, like this is there, like this is there. This angle and this angle. These two angles are called adjacent angles. Exactly beside each. Okay. That angles are called adjacent angles. So here what are the adjacent complementary angles? Complementary means sum 90. Okay. What are they? See, this one plus this one. How much? Full angle? 90 degrees. Complement or not?
Yes, sir.
Complement. Why? Sum of this angle and this angle is 180 degrees. So that second one is angle AOE. How you written angle, you know, where we are taking angle, that should be in middle. That should be in middle. Okay. This one you know or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
AOE. And this angle, how can we write? Tell me, Manasvi. This angle. This one, how can we represent? And like this, how
Sir,
can
which
we
one?
write? This angle, ma. This angle plus this angle only complement and adjacent.
Sir,
How can we write this angle? This angle.
sir, I can't exactly see which angle you're actually pointing at.
Cursor is moving. See.
Sir, your cursor is stuck.
Stuck. Here. Not showing cursor.
Sir, your cursor is not moving.
Yes, sir, it's not.
So now,
Now okay?
yes.
Now? Cursor is moving.
Sir, it's stopping and again starting.
Okay, here. This angle I am asking.
Sir, it's still stuck.
This angle AOC. AOB. Okay? Third one, equal supplementary angles. Means the sum should be, now cursor is not showing.
Sir,
No,
suddenly it's moving and then it's stopping.
Okay. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means two angles sum should be 180 degrees. Tell me what are the supplementary angles? Two equal. That should be equal means 90 plus 90. Right? Which angles? This angle and this angle. Okay. Tell me this angle. Varshit, tell me this angle. Angle.
Sir, angle
Angle.
EOB.
EO.
EOB.
And
Sir, and angle EOD.
EOD. Very good. Next, fourth one. Unequal supplementary angles. Okay. Unequal supplementary angles means supplementary angle means some 180, but they should not be unequal. So one is 90, another one is something, but some should be 180. What are the angles? Can you say anyone?
Sir, I don't know.
Huh? Here this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So supplement, but now we have to say both should be supplement but not equal. See here, these angles are supplement. So this angle, okay, plus this angle become 180 only, na? Sum 180 only, na?
Sir, yes.
So angle AOD and angle AOB. Okay, fifth one. Adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Linear pair means, what is the meaning of linear pair? Linear pair means sum 180 and they should adjacent. Adjacent, right? Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, no, asked.
Huh?
So, who are
Linear
you
pair.
asking?
Same these angles only, na? These two angles are sum 180 and they are adjacent. Okay? That's
Yes.
it. You note down this.
Sir, Varshit completed.
Okay, now we will see that. Okay. Yes. Now we will see the topic. First one is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay. See, if any two lines, if say if any two lines these are the two lines. Okay. If two lines are intersecting, then this point is called intersecting point. What do we call this? Intersecting point. Intersecting point. Okay. And see how many, if two angles forms means how many angles will form? 1, 2, 3, 4 angles will form. Okay. So now here 1 and 2, what I said? Angle 1 and angle 2 are called what? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Understood? Exactly opposite is there now. And 2 and 4, sorry, 1 and 3. 1, 3, vertically opposite. 2 and 4,
So,
huh?
so vertically opposite angles.
Yes, vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. Okay. And then you can see this angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent or not. So
So,
here this angle and this angle will be divided by the same line only. Okay. So that they are called adjacent angles. So see, here angle 1 comma angle 2 and angle 2 comma angle 3 and angle 3 comma angle 4 and angle 4 comma angle 1. All are adjacent angles or not? See, 1, 2, 2, 3. They divided into same. 3, 4. They divided into same line. So 4, 1. They divided into 1, 4. So all these are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Okay. They are adjacent angles and also linear pair. So they are dividing with the same line. Okay. And their common point also same. And angle 1 plus angle 2, how much? Angle 1 plus angle 2, how much? What is
so,
this angle, ma? 180 degrees, ma? Straight angle.
Yes, sir.
And this angle, what? How much? 180 degrees. So, if any two angles are adjacent and their sum is 180 degrees, means that angles are called linear pair angles. That angles are called what? Linear pair angles. Okay. See this? And angle 2 plus angle 3, how much?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Angle 3 plus angle 4?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Next, angle 4 and angle 1?
180 degrees again.
So that all these angles also called linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Understand? Linear pair
Yes.
angles. Linear pair angles means what?
Sum of angles is 180 degrees.
Sum of angles, only sum of angles 180 degrees means supplementary angles. Sum of
Oh,
angles
sorry.
180 degrees and they should be adjacent.
Yes.
Then we will say that linear pair. Linear pair sum also 180. Supplement angles also 180. What is the difference between linear pair and this one? Supplementary means linear pair means sum 180 and angles adjacent. So supplementary means sum only 180 degrees. Okay, for example, see that. Yes, see that. I will show some examples. And these two are intersecting lines or not? These two are intersecting lines or not? Tell me, give the
They are.
response.
They are.
Yes.
Yes, intersecting lines. So this angle, angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent or not?
Yes, sir. They are
Adjacent.
Yes, sir. There.
And angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees or not?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Right? Now see that. Mm, no. Right. See. See. Okay. Here, see that. Here angle is 110 degrees. Here angle is 70 degrees. Then these two are angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 and 2 are adjacent. Huh?
No, sir.
No, not
supplementary.
adjacent. Not adjacent. But angle 1 plus angle 2 is how much? 180 degrees. Right?
180 degrees.
180 degrees. So that therefore So therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 are only supplement angles, only supplementary angles, right? Only supplementary angles. Now understand the difference between supplementary angles and linear pair angles.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see that this is about how many angles. These are called pair of angles. So up to now, so acute angle, obtuse angle, that and all one angle only. But here at a time we are considering two vertically opposite angles. Means how many we will consider? How many angles? Vertically opposite angles means how many angles we will consider?
Sir, two.
Two. So they are called a pair of angles. Okay. Supplementary angles means how many angles we will consider? Two angles. Linear
Two.
pair means two angles. So all these angles are called a pair of angles. Okay. Next. Okay. First you complete this one. You note this one.
Sir, can you spell?
So scroll down.
The version detected.
So Rachel, come.
So done.
Yes, next topic is transversal. Transversal. Okay. Right. So now we will see the, for example, hmm, okay. Hmm. Now see that. Now see here. So this is line L, this is line M, this is N. Okay. L and M are parallel,
Yes.
parallel or not?
Yes, sir.
Line L
Yes.
and lines L and M are parallel. Parallel. And see that N is intersecting at 2 points, 2 different points, 2 lines, right? The line N is cutting L and M in 2 different points. Okay, let it be A, let it be B. So line L intersecting line L intersecting L and M. Sorry, line N intersecting L and M at 2 different points. 2 different points, right? 2 different
Yes.
points. Okay, so that line N is called transversal line. Transversal line. Okay. Understood? If any one line, okay, intersecting the two different lines in two different points, then the line is called a transversal line. Okay. Okay. So with this, Manasvi, you switch on the camera. Are you listening or not? How can I understood? Yes. See here. So this line is cutting two different points. Then here, how many angles will form? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also
4.
okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 angles will form. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles? 4 angles formed. Okay. So that by the transversal, how many angles are formed by the transversal?
Sorry,
Transversal, 8 angles will form. Okay. You observe one thing. Out of 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 angles will form. Now you can say already you know two types of angles, right? Now you can say first angle 1, angle 3, what type of angles?
Vertical opposite.
vertical opposite.
Vertically opposite angles.
Right. Angle 2, angle 4, what type of angles?
Vertically opposite angles.
Then tell me, still is there.
Eight and 6.
Angle 6, angle 8. Then
Angle 5 and angle 7.
angle 5, angle 7. So all these are called what? Vertically
Opposite angles.
opposite angles. Opposite angles. Then angle 1, comma angle 2. What type of angles?
Adjacent.
Adjacent and
Supplementary.
supplementary. So that angle 1 and angle 2 are called
Linear pair.
linear pair angles. Angle 1, angle 2 are adjacent. At the same time, their sum is 180 degrees. So that angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Then tell me like that one by one. Ritwik, tell me the linear pair.
So 3 and 4.
3 and 1,
4.
comma 2. And then you can say in order. 2, comma 3.
Okay.
Linear pair only, na? This sum
Yes,
also
yes.
180. Next,
So 3 by 4. 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Next, Manasvi.
8 and 7.
4, comma 1 also is there, na? Angle 4 and angle 1.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
then tell me one more pair, linear pair.
8, 7. 8 and 7.
In order, you can say number order. Angle 5, angle 6. Next, tell Varshit.
Sir, angle 6, angle 7.
Angle 6, angle 7. Next,
Angle 7, angle 8.
next, angle 8, angle 5. All these are called linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Now, some different angles also we will get here. Okay. So, always vertically opposite angles are one more point here. vertically opposite angles always equal. Always equal or not. See, for example, we will see one example. For example, see like this, vertically opposite angles. For example, if I will take this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, this angle 60 means this angle how much? Linear pair, no?
Yes, sir. 60.
This is how much? This one I am asking.
Sir,
120 degrees.
120. Y means fully 180, na? So this angle is 60 means this should be 120. Then this is, now you can consider this one. This one. This is 120 means this is how much? These two angles. Linear pair only.
sir, 60.
60. Now you consider this one and this one. This fully 180. This is 60. Then this is how much?
Sir, 120.
120 degrees.
Now you check. Vertically opposite angles are equal or not?
Yes, sir, they're equal.
So always the vertically opposite angles are equal. And here angle should be 360 degrees. All you can add 360 will come. 120, 120, 240, 240, 120, 360, right? So always the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. See? Okay. From this we have many different types of angles. Okay. And then here two more types. So interior angles and exterior angles. What are the interior means what? This part. This part is called interior. And outside is called exterior. So you can say interior angles what? Interior angles. When you say interior angles what? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 8. Is it right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes.
And what are the exterior angles?
Sir,
Outside. Exterior angles. What?
sir,
Angle
angle
1,
1.
angle 2. Here 6 and 7 also exterior angles.
Yes, sir.
So angle 6 and angle 7. Okay. Very important. It will be very useful in our higher studies. Okay. Higher maths. So what we have discussed here, what are the vertically opposite angles, what are linear pair? Okay. And what is a transversal? Transversal means what? If a line intersects two lines, if a line intersects two lines at the two different points, then that line, that intersected line is called vertically opposite, is called transversal. Okay. How many angles will be formed with a transversal with two lines means 8 angles. Out of 8 angles, 4 angles interior, 4 angles are exterior. Okay. So in this, first if you will see, we will get the vertically opposite angles and linear pair angles also. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, still there are many are there. First you complete this one, we will discuss the remaining part. Okay, to write this one first.
So scroll down. Done, sir.
Okay, then you can give enough. Tomorrow, next class, we will discuss.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Done, sir. Bye, sir.